Hello everyone, this is your Aziz sir, and we all know that we all have in a very crucial time, and that's a fact, and we will have to face it. Today, there's a reason why I am making this video for you people because you have sent me so many queries about how can you utilize this quarantine period, like to be fluent in English. Uh, Guys, what I would suggest you is you start listening to plenty of English. So that's a genuine problem in this country. Everyone wants to be fluent in English by adopting some other means, like by reading, by writing. But we actually forget that to be fluent in any language, first, you need to listen to that language plenty. Okay, so what you do, you start listening to plenty of English. I would reckon that you start listening to English 3 to 4 hours a day because you have time now. So what do you do? I wouldn't suggest you to start watching like English movies right away, but instead you can start watching cartoon. For example, I can name one cartoon which is Peppa Pig, and let me spell it out for you. It would be Peppa and then pig. So that is a British cartoon. If you start watching that cartoon, trust me, you don't need to be even like 100% attentive when you're watching that cartoon. You just watch it. If you start watching it today, if you watch like 2 episodes a day and watch it regularly for the first 2 3 months time, trust me, your listening is going to be a lot better. You know, when you listen to English, automatically your brain picks up all necessary words, all the sentences being made by people. So you automatically learning it. This is something very, very natural. I repeat, you don't have to be 100% attentive while watching those cartoons. I just want you to start watching them. So I guarantee you that first 3 months, if you watch even this cartoon, on you can watch other cartoons of Disney production house because those cartoons are made in such way so people can actually learn English from them. So what you do, you start watching, I would say Peppa Pig, right? From today, watch Peppa Pig 2 to 3 episodes a day and watch it like 3 4 hours and 3 months. Trust me, you are going to have all the words, all the sentences that you need to use while speaking English. So utilize like whatever time you have now in hand, start watching cartoons. Guys, I don't even tell you to put effort to start speaking at this point of time. Since you are very basic learner, start watching and listening to English. Watch cartoons, listen to plenty of English. Please do listen regularly. You listen for about 10 days and start watching cartoons from today. After 10 days, I will see you people with another video. So what do you do now for the time being is listen, listen, and listen. So I'll see you in about a week's time. Thank you very much. And that's it for today. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.